Stop and see the fun, sir?
All I want to see is the first bridge over the Chickamauga going up in flames.
Reverse! Reverse!
We gotta take on one water.
Not here. Stop at the first tank beyond town.
Watch my sunny suit.
It's been raining up here. Might have been, but it's cleared up nice.
Shall we rip up track?
No. Let's get a wood line going. Mr. Scott?
My train was captured by federal spies who are making for Chattanooga, possibly hoping to burn the bridges behind them. If I do not capture them, try to head them off. Signed, William A. Fuller.
So that's why Mitchell hasn't attacked me. He wants to be sure those bridges are out.
Acknowledge and send this message back. Direct the Dalton operator to call out Colonel Allen's regiment to engage the Yankees.
The line to Dalton has gone dead, sir.
Then get through to Ringgold and tell him to send cavalry down the track to cut them off.